Meaning of cast. Cast is a verb, and sometimes a noun, with several meanings, including to throw something, example, a stone. To assign roles in a play or movie. To shape something, like metal or plaster. To vote, example, cast a vote. To form a hard cover for a broken bone, noun, a cast. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. He cast a stone into the river. 2. She was cast as the lead actress in the play. 3. The workers cast the statue in bronze. 4. I need to cast my vote before 5 p.m. 5. His arm is in a cast after the accident. Noun. 6. The sunlight casts long shadows. 7. The movie has a great cast of actors. Noun. 8. She cast a quick glance at her watch. 9. They cast doubt on his explanation. 10. He was cast out of the group for cheating.